Hey everybody, AGBS fans here, and today, I have something to tell you. Tomorrow we're going to be, going back to California, hopefully, and I just want to make a tips and tricks video, not packing for American Girl doll, just tips and tricks, on how to pack, like on how to bring your doll if you're traveling. You want her to wear clothes you want her to wear clothes that won't get her limbs bumped or scratched, because she has, oh god, I almost tilted her. Okay, let me just, my doll has a scratch somewhere on her leg. It's pretty big, actually. And I forgot my shoes at my friend Savannah's house in California. So that's pretty sad. So all she wears is just these sandals. I prepared these clothes. I made her wear them like the day before yesterday. So she's gonna be wearing this hoodie from the Seaside Fun outfit. This bracelet, I know on AG Magnolia's How to Travel and Pack with Your American Girl doll, she said, if you want your doll to wear bracelets, necklaces, or glasses or something, you'll need them to be in a nice case. Like, not a nice case, but a case where they won't get lost. But this bracelet actually stays on, and it's actually pretty hard to get off, but I get it off sometimes, so it won't fall off. I know that for sure. Oh, and just so you know, these straps are from this adorable backpack from Build-A-Bear. I went to the mall just to look at the American Girl. We went to the mall, and then I saw the Build-A-Bear store, and I wanted to go. And my mom asked one of the employees if there was a clearance section, and he or she, I forgot, said yes, and it was over against the wall. And I think this backpack was on the clearance, but my mom wanted to get it for me because it had the star, which meant American Girl. Well, not literally, but like I thought it meant American Girl, so I got it anyway. And I also got, what was it? Oh, a My Little Pony outfit that's so cute. It has like a My Little Pony tank top, and then it has like a pink tutu. Oh, and I tied her hair, because doll hair can get messed up easily. Okay, just so you know, I'm on the floor right now. Oh gosh, she's falling badly right now. Stop. Okay. And she's going to be wearing these jeans that are from the clearance section. It's not from any outfit, it's just jeans. And these sandals that are also from the Seaside Fun outfit. So, by the way, here's another tip and trick. Another tip on how to pack, on how to travel with your American Girl doll. You might, if you want to bring your doll in like a luggage, you need to make sure that like she's covered in like safe material to like keep her body from getting ruined or something. And if you want to bring her in your my mom got me a new backpack because my backpack is like busted. I'm not kidding. So she got me a new backpack, which is sadly not a rolling backpack because like I can never carry my backpack, but I still love it. And it has tons of pockets, and I put my doll's luggage, a Monster High activity book and color book because my mom gave it to me for the plane. So nice. Oh, and by the way, well, never mind. I'll just show you in I'll show you in a vlog. But anyways, yeah, so I wanted to put my doll in it, but my mom said, while I was putting my stuff in, she said it's already getting heavy because she doesn't want it to be heavy. So I have to carry my doll, but which is really funny. I'm going to be carrying the backpack on my back, of course, holding my doll that's also carrying a backpack on her back, which is really funny. Inception confirmed. I'll show you this in another video. this in another video. A vlog. Sorry if that was disturbing. I just, had to.
يلا أمير نام.
Bobby, hold on.
Put yourself in bed.
Adam's not in bed yet.
It's none of your damn business, okay? نام.
Daddy, hold on. I
You
just
brush
need
your
like,
teeth?
no.
قومي brush your
I will,
teeth.
I will. Hold
بسرعة
on.
بدور على الحمام.
I just need like.
No. Go right now. يلا. I need a long time. I'm gonna be in the bathroom for a long time. يلا
10
قومي.
seconds, 10 seconds. Literally.
تعال. تعال يلا.
Daddy, 10 seconds. Baba, close the door, please. Daddy, close the door, please.
قومي.
Hold on, just close
10
the door.
seconds is over. يلا.
No. Just hold on.
ولك قوم.
Just pretend you never heard that. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Make sure to check out the vlog I'm going to make later on. So, bye. I believe I can fly.